Hello friends, welcome back to a new tutorial series of MySQL. In the previous video, we had seen that how to create a table. If you had missed that video, please, I request you to watch it first. Now the next one is alter table command. Why alter table is used? Suppose you want to change the structure of the table, then you can go with the alter table command. Now what is the meaning of alter table? See, I have listed 4 commands over there. That all 4 command of the alter table only, but she had mentioned add, change, modify and drop. The previous syntax are same only, alter table, table name. Right now our name of the table is student, so we will go with the student over here. So alter table student. Now add for what? Now suppose you want to add one more field in your table. Now suppose in our table student we having total 6 field are there. Now suppose you want to add one more field with the name city, then what? Yes, you can go with the alter table command. In that you can use add over here. Field means suppose whichever the field you want to insert data type. Now suppose for the field city you can assign the data type as char or varchar, and constraint. Constraint means we have listed so many constraint. Apart from this you can use any of the constraint over there. Let's write. Now suppose in the table student we want to add one more field with the name city, then alter table name, that is student. Now add. Now which field you want to insert, that is city, and data type that you want to assign to the particular field city, that is varchar. In bracket sub I am going to assign 10, and at last semicolon. See, query OK is assigned over there. Now suppose you want to check the structure of the table, then what? As we had seen, DSC table name. For what? Suppose you want to check the structure of the table. Now suppose you want to check that city field is included in our table or not, then what? DSC and name of the table, that is student. See, roll number, name, class, mark, janitor and DOB, that were already there. Now one more field is there with the name city, and the data type is varchar 10. Thus how you can add one more field in your table. Now see the second one. Alter table name change, old field, new field and data type. That is for suppose you want to change the name of the field, as we had added one more field with the name city. Now suppose I want to change the name of city from city to state, then how you can use change command over there. Now see, alter table name in this only. Alter table student change old field name, that is city, new field name, suppose I want to make this field as a state, and the data type, that is varchar, and then semicolon. Means alter table name changes for what? Suppose you want to change old field name with a new field name, then you can use change over there. Now I'm going to press the enter. See, query OK is there. Now suppose I'm going to check the structure again, whether the name is changed or not. DSC. See, after DOB one more field is there instead of city. Right now it is state. Now the third one, alter table name modify. Modify what? Now suppose you want to change the data type. Right now I have mentioned varchar 10, but suppose you are going to insert any of the value that having more than 10 characters, then what? You can use the modify over there. Now see, alter table name modify, field name, that is state, and new data type, that is varchar, and I am going to assign as 20. Previously I had mentioned 10. See, state and varchar 10 was there. Now suppose I am going to change for state field, I am going to assign as varchar 20. Now I am going to press the enter. Now again check the structure, DSC and table name. See, state having varchar 20 means as a new data type I had allocated as varchar 20. Thus how you can change the data type of the particular field. And last one is alter table name and drop particular field. Now suppose you want to remove any of the field from your table, then you can use drop and with one field name over there. Now suppose as per this table we want to remove this state field, that is not necessary right now for our table, so we want to remove the state field. Then what? Alter table name, and at last what? Instead of change we have to write drop and one more field, that is state. Enter. Now check that whether state field is there or not. See, we having till DOB, that is our previous table that we had created with the name student. We having total 6 field only. Thus how you can use alter table command. Add, for what? Suppose you want to add one more field in the table. Change, suppose you want to change the name of the field that is existing in your table. Modify, that is you want to change the data type of the particular field. And drop, suppose you want to remove any of the field from your table. This is all about the alter table.